Gayatri is considered the mother of Indian culture and Yajna is the father of Indian religion. Gayatri and Yajna are symbol of good thoughts. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book title Gayatri Parivar Ka Lakshya. Aim of Gayatri Parivar. Many efforts are being made today for nation building, revival of divine culture, etc. Many plans are being charted out to increase the peace and prosperity in general. But the success of these plans cannot be expected unless the moral standard of we, the common people, is raised. So, how can the moral standard be raised in mass? In conjunction with present times and not restricted to any religion or region so that the entire humanity is enmeshed in love and peace. Gayatri Parivar was formed as a global solution for this objective. Gayatri Parivar is a socio-religious organization founded by Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya and Mata Bhagwati Devi Sharma. Based out of India, this Parivar is putting in intense efforts around promoting good quality life enmeshed in human attributes, providing practical means of uplifting self, generating enthusiasm for the precious gift called life. Activism for relevant causes along with loyalty and plurality of activists, creating a scientific religious atmosphere to bring up the greatness within, promoting humanity and enlisting a sense of duty and devoting amongst all individuals. The 3200 books written by its patron founder and the life of the founders themselves form the path that is followed by all Gayatri Parivar members. The core of the Parivar is based on Gayatri Mantra that invokes the goddess of wisdom, Gayatri. This mantra is not related to any particular religion but rather cuts across all religions, sects, creeds, countries, and languages. Every member of this parivar has been entrusted with the responsibility to create a field of thought for cultural revival for a socio-religious revolution around the planet and be a part of the efforts to bring in the golden age that shall be born once every human being on the world is transformed. Every member is supposed to be increasing the Satogan and realize the superiority of the soul while continuously polish one's life and sort out its many confusions basis the core principles of Parivar. Glad to present a small book on what this Parivar is all about. The book explains how we can move towards moral and cultural revival of the entire world, how people can raise the moral standard for nation building, how we can imbibe an ideology to be thoughtful and loving, how we can save ourselves from evils or untruth, and how we can put in our best for social welfare. Some excerpts from the book. Indian culture is a universal culture of morality and humanity. Each of the great traditions of this country has been constructed with a view to make human beings virtuous and serve the society. The power of thoughts is immense. Although humans need good food, clean water, open air, light, cleanliness, clothes, house, labor, and rest, but what she or he needs more is good thoughts. The importance of Brahmadan is considered to be 100 times more than Annadan, that is offering food. The meaning of Brahmadan, that is food for Brahmin, means food or charity for people who are spreading good thoughts. Gayatri worship is very helpful in enhancing the spiritual and physical happiness of a person. A group of individuals makes up a society or a nation. If the majority of the people of society become good and cultured, then the whole society or nation will gain prestige. Some topics covered in the book: Gayatri Parivar or family's goal, nation building, cultural revival, ideology and plan, welfare of the self, outline of the organized model, preventable evils or untruths, our next steps.